And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Garrity RV Center in this sunny morning. Going to give you a little video tour this morning of this 2020 Heartland 3370EL. Just came into stock this last couple of days. Hasn't been here, but like I said, a couple of days. And it's a beautiful unit. They've done a lot of nice upgrades to the Bighorn, and I'll walk you through some of the features and benefits this morning and make it nice and brief, but give you the basics. So we're going to start off with this front cap. We've got a solid fiberglass front cap that is automotive painted. This is not a gel coat finish, it's actually an automotive paint. LED lighting. You got a nice front compartment. This is going to come with 2 batteries. The compartment is generator prepped. This very front compartment is metal to allow you to store heavier items. You've got your front jack control conveniently located right here. Makes it very easy for loading and unloading the unit off and onto the truck. Tight turn technology, frameless windows, outdoor speakers, large electric awning with LED lighting behind the awning, and also LED spotlights for the front of the coach when you're parked. Got a nice full basement area here. This is a heated area in the winter time. Really convenient to have that heated area. Easy access for service. You've got 110 power here and a cable outlet. If you want to watch an additional television out here, you can do so. Coming up into the coach, we've got the extra large step, the 1-step, really nice system. Large full grab handle. Coming in, all of your controls are right here. Very easily located. Makes it really easy to do everything right here. And you can also add an app to your phone, so you can control some of this stuff before you even come into the coach. One thing you'll notice with Bighorn right off the bat is the elegancy of all of the cabinetry. They do a really nice job. Hardwood cabinets. You're going to have day and night shades in this coach, both, which makes it really nice. Again, frameless windows. You've got residential furnished Thomas Payne furniture. You've got a trifold couch that makes into a queen bed. USB ports on both sides. The valances around this too, I want to point out to you. These are all hardwood valances. So everything in this coach is upgraded, very nicely done. Perfect for the residential live-in. That's what the coach is manufactured for, is residential. You've got a nice large fireplace. You've got a Jensen sound system with sound bar, microwave and convection oven. The upgraded Furrion range and oven. So it's a larger range and it's much more convenient. You don't actually have to reach inside to light it. Again, lots of cabinets, lots of drawers. This is really a nice feature they added this year. So you can have a coffee pot, a blender, whatever it is that you like to do. You've got lots of shelves here that you can use as pantry. You can use for additional pots and pan storage. Lots of additional shelving and cabinet doors here. 4-door refrigerator, and that is a gas electric refrigerator, so you can use it under any type of conditions that you may run into. Coming up into the bathroom, got a nice bathroom. I'll let the camera do most of the work in here, but you've got a nice medicine cabinet, a bowl sink, hard surface countertops throughout this coach. Lots of cabinetry here for toiletry items, towels, etc. Nice corner shower with a porcelain toilet. Into the bedroom area, we're going to have a king-size bed. We're going to have a cordless Dyson vacuum. Very large front closet area. And by the way, both the front and the rear caps on this are extra insulated. And on your, the coach is aluminum framed, of course. The sidewalls, you hear that a lot. But the roof is also aluminum framed. So you've got aluminum rafters. Washer dryer area, which works out well. You can do a stackable in here, or you can just use this for the convenience of extra storage. All LED lighting throughout the coach. It's got 2 air conditioners, 30,000 BTU, and they are the whisper quiet. So they're not loud, they're very quiet while you're in the coach. One thing I didn't point out was the fantastic fan in the kitchen area, and that is remotely controlled. So you've got a remote control for that. Come on outside, let's show you some more features out here. So we talked about the frameless windows, the MORride suspension, the G-rated tires, solid back cap, backup camera ready. We got a nice strong ladder to access the walk-on roof. This is a walk-on roof, a walkable roof. You have an additional storage compartment in the back on that slide out. They've done a really nice job with the docking station here. All of your dump valves, everything centrally located, including your cable outlets, hose hookups, dump valves, whole house water filtration system, water heater bypass for the winter. It's all right here in one convenient spot. Auto leveling, 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. And then of course you're going to have 2 of the large propane tanks, 1 on each side of the coach. All of these units come with a laminated floor in the slide out as well as in the coach. So they don't just offer that in the coach on the floor, they also offer it on their slide outs. So if you have any questions on this brand new in stock Bighorn or any other fifth wheel toy hauler or camper, please feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guarantee.com. Thanks and have a great day.